For months, EVIT early childhood education students planned, organized, and collected, all with one goal in mind: to make the holidays brighter for East Valley families in need.
This is definitely really special for me. I was once a kid that received toys like this, and knowing that I will be the one to give them out this year, it definitely makes my dream come true to know that I will be able to make another kid happy this Christmas.
Students placed donation boxes across the community, partnered with local businesses, and turned generosity into action.
We spent months planning this to be able to get it all put together.
The result? More toys than anyone expected.
I definitely lost count of how many we got, which is good because there's way more than I thought it would be.
Families from EVIT's Head Start program were invited to browse and select donated items for their children, including toys, books, coloring supplies, and stocking stuffers for the holidays.
Que tiene como varias cosas, como una pelota. Ese está bueno. Por ahí están. Thank you.
More than a toy drive, this was hands-on learning in responsibility, leadership, and service, lessons that last far beyond the classroom.
It's definitely hard, but it definitely teaches you how important it is to be a responsible person.
This is what happens when students, staff, and community come together.
This is a really wonderful and special event for all our EVIT students in here in early childhood, and this makes us all really happy to know that we'll be making families happy.